Under the warm morning sun, vast watermelon fields come alive as harvest begins. Each watermelon is carefully selected, ensuring only premium quality moves forward. With expert handling, the harvest is gently loaded for its journey ahead. Modern refrigerated transport maintains perfect freshness, preserving taste and integrity. Upon arrival, the facility activates a seamless receiving process, welcoming tons of fresh watermelons. Advanced conveyors guide the fruit forward, beginning its transformation. Inside this ultra-modern factor, initial inspection ensures ideal size, shape, and surface condition before the next precise stage. Freshly harvested watermelons enter the massive washing system. Here begins the first step of purification. A powerful water flume carries each watermelon forward with precision and control. This careful process removes field dirt while protecting the fruit. Advanced filtration recycles clean water, ensuring efficiency and sustainability. Every watermelon receives a consistent and thorough wash. Advanced scanners carefully inspect each watermelon, analyzing color, texture, and surface quality with absolute precision. High-resolution sensors evaluate every detail in real time, ensuring only premium-grade watermelon continues. Automated systems gently separate approved watermelon, maintaining perfect flow and consistency. Any fruit that does not meet strict standards is redirected instantly, guaranteeing flawless quality ahead. Precision engineering now takes control, guiding each watermelon into the cutting zone. Robotic alignment systems position every watermelon perfectly for an accurate split. With surgical precision, automated blades descend, dividing each watermelon flawlessly. As each watermelon opens, the vibrant red interior is revealed, signaling premium quality. Nothing is left to chance. Every split watermelon is inspected instantly for accuracy. This precision cutting stage ensures uniformity, the foundation of every product ahead. Every cut is perfectly measured, ensuring consistent halves throughout the production line. This advanced system maintains absolute precision every step of the way. High-capacity processors convert the rich watermelon flesh into smooth, vibrant pulp. Real-time sensors ensure consistency, purity, and perfect density at every phase. This pristine watermelon pulp is now ready for multiple premium product lines. Perfectly cut watermelon cubes now move into the canning line, maintaining their fresh color and pristine texture. Advanced automation gently fills each can with uniform watermelon chunks, ensuring accuracy in every portion. Only the finest watermelon is selected for the next critical stage. Each fruit is evaluated with precision. Perfectly cut watermelon cubes now move into the canning line, maintaining their fresh color and pristine texture. Automated systems guide the watermelon cubes toward the canning line with smooth, controlled efficiency. Every filled can is inspected once more, guaranteeing premium quality before sealing and preservation. Intelligent laser systems inspect each sealed can in real time. They analyze pressure, sealing integrity, and surface quality, ensuring absolute safety and freshness inside every watermelon can. Finally, robotic arms take control, organizing perfectly sealed cans into massive batches with unparalleled speed and accuracy, preparing them for packaging and global distribution. Now, the perfectly prepared watermelon pulp enters the advanced juice extraction system. Advanced juice extraction system. Powerful yet precise machinery separates pure juice from any remaining fiber. High-capacity stainless steel extractors ensure a smooth, vibrant, and naturally sweet watermelon juice. Multiple production lines prepare for bottling, handling thousands of units seamlessly. Every bottle is sealed instantly, locking in purity and quality, ready to refresh consumers around the world. Crystal clear watermelon juice flows into bottles with flawless precision. Now the watermelon products enter advanced high-pressure sterilization chambers, where intense steam and controlled heat eliminate any remaining microorganisms. Only after passing this rigorous sterilization cycle are the watermelon products approved to continue to the next stage. Every second of temperature, pressure, and humidity is monitored in real time, guaranteeing absolute safety, freshness, and long-term preservation. Now, every sealed watermelon can enter an advanced sterilization chamber. High-pressure steam and precisely controlled temperature eliminate any remaining microorganisms, ensuring absolute safety and long shelf life. Each can is designed not only to protect the product, but to communicate freshness. Vibrant colors inspired by the watermelon's green rind and bright red pulp create an irresistible visual appeal. Every detail is intentionally crafted to attract consumers, build trust, and stand out on any shelf. Perfectly diced watermelon pieces now move toward advanced plastic container packing lines. Precision conveyors guide each perfectly cut piece into crystal clear food-grade containers, ensuring absolute hygiene and protection. Automated weighing systems guarantee every portion is consistent, balanced, and ready for consumers. Protective lids are applied with flawless accuracy, sealing in freshness, color, and natural sweetness. Every container is a promise of quality, safety, and exceptional taste, prepared for distribution with unmatched precision. Now, precision automation takes control of the palletizing stage. Layer by layer, flawless pallets are formed, ready for distribution. Advanced robotic arms operate with incredible speed and accuracy. They lift, rotate, and place each box effortlessly, ensuring perfect alignment on every pallet. This level of automation guarantees consistency, efficiency, and uncompromised quality. Layer by layer, the pallets take shape. Smart logistics software calculates weight distribution and structure, ensuring maximum stability during long journeys. Fully packed pallets now move into the final sealing stage. A powerful automated wrapping system secures each pallet with precision, locking every case firmly in place. Nothing is left to chance. Every movement is engineered for perfection. With precision and order, perfectly packed watermelon products move toward final dispatch. Advanced logistics systems coordinate every movement, ensuring flawless handling and absolute efficiency. Forklifts glide smoothly across the distribution hall, preparing pallets for shipment to markets around the world. Every load is stabilized, protected, and fully traceable. From rigorous processing to this final moment, uncompromising quality has guided every step. Each product leaving this facility represents technology, precision, and excellence. And with every departing shipment, this modern watermelon factory delivers freshness, safety, and trust to millions of consumers. If you enjoyed this full factory journey, don't forget to subscribe and stay with us for more incredible industrial stories like this one. A brand new production adventure is coming, and you won't want to miss it.